Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
after I will provide grand example. Grand example. Just a minute. I'm deleting this one. All of you observe conclusion. Tangina. Conclusion. Suppose new
Yes.
class. Class 1. Class 1. Observe this grand example, Sriniram. First, Sriniram, Java class members. Create static variables. Variables also class members. Create static variables. Suppose static int x equals to 100. Suppose y equals to 200. Next, create non-static
variables.
Non-static variables means reference
There's
variables.
no static one.
Without
No static.
static keyword.
Int
A equals to 1, 2, 3. B equals to 4, 5, 6.
6.
Okay.
That is instance variable, right?
Instance variable, or you can say non-static variable.
Yeah.
Instance variable or non-static variable also. See, in methods also same fashion. We use static keyword for creating static method.
Yeah.
No static keyword for non-static method. Same. Next, create a static method with return a value. Arguments optional. If you want to use arguments, you can use. Next, create a static method. Create a static method without returning any value. Without returning any value. Next, observe Nirupama.
Yes, sir.
Non-static. Non-static. Create a static method with return a value. Public static. Suppose method return type int, add, arguments optional, open curly braces, open curly braces. Next, suppose int num1 equals to 10, num2 equals to 20. Next, int res equals to num1 plus num2. Next, return res. Now observe Sriniram. The statement 12th line, in order to increasing the clarity of program, I am writing the 12th line. Otherwise 12th line is optional. You can comment it here.
Okay.
Num1 plus num2. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
It is also okay. Just increasing. First I am calculating, then returning. Otherwise, calculate and return in a single statement, no problem. This is static method with return a value. Next, create a static method without returning any value. Without returning any value. Instead of this one, wait, void, suppose, sub, method name, subtraction. Suppose 100, 200. Here no return statement. No return statement. If you use like this, it won't display anything. It will calculate. It won't display anything now.
Yes, sir.
Rest. Only
Yes.
display. No returning value. Sub. Okay. Next.
So sub operator we need to change, sir.
Good. Okay, good. Next. Otherwise, I will create a non-static method. Non-static method for Jana. Public.
Yeah. What, sir?
Void with return a value na.
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah. Int.
Public int. Suppose
Multiplication.
multiply. You can use arguments also, no problem. Suppose int x equals to 1, 2, 3. Next, y equals to 3, 0. Next, int res equals to x into y, semicolon. Next, system.out.println res. Oh, returning a value na. Return res. Observe Sriniram. Last one Sriniram. Non-static method without returning any value.
Void, using void.
Public. Void. Suppose comparison. 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 Okay. Int a equals to 100, b equals to 90. If a greater than b, open curly braces, system.out.println a is big number. A is big number.
Big number.
Else b is big number. B is big number.
Big number.
Okay. Now observe Suman. In this program, we created static variables, non-static variables, static methods, and non-static methods. Any problem?
No.
Means we created class members, variables and methods, static class members and non-static class members. Just created means declared. Then use. Use means call. Use means call. First call static class members. Static class members. Call static class members, Jyoti.
Sir, line number 36. Sir, B is a big number.
Okay,
Yes.
good. Call static class members, Farjana,
We can able to use directly. static
directly. Otherwise, class name.
Class
Last
name.
name.
Otherwise, class name. Here, static class members. XY, add sub. Okay. First, static variables. SYSO, control space enter. Class name. Class 1 dot x plus class 1 dot y. What is the values? X 100, y 200, 300, 300. Run the program. 300. Suppose if you are in the same class, no class name available now. No
Yes,
class
sir.
name available. Okay. Next, class members, particularly variables, Nirupama. Variables.
Yes.
Next, create non-static class members, variables. What are the variable names? Num1,
No, you should
static.
move up.
Num1, num2, not this one. Just
No, sir. You've declared it on top.
It is
Yeah.
also X and Y, no, sir? Oh, no.
A and B.
A and B. X and Y static. A and B
Okay,
non-static. A
Yes,
and
sir.
B. Suppose
You need to create an object.
A plus B. But these are non-static now. We need to create object, instance of the
Object, yeah.
class. Otherwise, we can't call directly. If it is static variables, you can call directly. Otherwise, use class name. Create object,
Class
class
1,
1,
object name,
object name equals to
new class name,
new class 1, open and close parenthesis,
and yeah.
semicolon.
Now you can use
Next,
obj.a.
obj dot a. Next,
obj.b.
obj dot b. What is the value? What are the values? 123, 456, 579.
579.
579. Run the program. 300, 579. Okay. Next, call static class members. This time, methods. Here we have two methods. One is add method that return a value. Another is sub method
Subtraction.
that doesn't return any value. Okay. First add method. Int res equals to class name not required now for static. We are in the same class. Add. Okay. SYSO, control space, enter. res. It will print add. What is the add method? Static in
30.
30, 10, 20. Yes, 30. Returning value to a variable and display. Otherwise, you can directly display. How you directly display this one? Class name optional. Directly display na 30. Next, another method is there na, subtract method. You can directly call that one. What is that one? Sub. Class name optional. What is that sub method? 100 minus 200. It will show minus 100 na. Observe 300, 579, 300, 579. Just a minute. $300, $579. Next, 30, 30 minus 100. Blank line is there. 300, 579, 30, 30 minus 100. Okay. Next, call non-static members. This time, non-static methods. Call non-static class members. Multiply is there, it returns value. Comparison is there, it doesn't return any value, but inside print statement is there. Suppose int res2 equals to obj dot type m, select multiply. Next, system dot out dot println res2. What is the output of that multiply method? Oh, something. Next, another method is there that doesn't return any value. Obj dot comparison. Obj dot comparison. What it will return? Comparison. A 100, B 90. Definitely it will show A is big number. A is big number. Run the program. Now observe Suman. Observe.
Yes, sir.
In this program, we created all type of class members.
Method.
Class
Yes, sir.
members, not only methods, variables also. All type of class
Yes, sir.
members. Static class members, non-static class members. Means in the static class members, static variables, static methods. Next, non-static variables, non-static methods. Next, we are calling static class members using class name or directly. Next, non-static class members by invoking object. Now, in this example Tangina, I created and called static and non-static class members, methods and
Yes,
variables. Methods and variables. Any query, Tangina?
no, sir, I'm good, sir.
Next, Sriniram. We are in same class. Suppose call from another class. Suppose new class 2, class 2, class 2. New class 2. Just a minute. Class 1. Without inheritance. Now observe Sriniram. We are in another class now. We are in another
Exactly.
class.
Class 2.
Suppose definitely you need to use class name for static class members now. What is the
Right,
class
sir.
name?
Class 1.
1.
1.
2.
Class 1.
This is class 1.
Class 1. Next, for non-static members, object required now.
Yes, sir.
Object
Yes.
required. Create object in this class. Create object.
Class 2.
Class 2. If you create object using class 2, just a minute. Class 2 obj equals to, otherwise you can use unique name. Suppose ABC. Class 2 open and close parenthesis semicolon. New.
Yeah, new.
Next ABC. Now observe Sriniram, error not removed na in 11th line. Why? Tangina you
Because
identify?
of we have
Tangina you identify?
Yes, sir. We have to create the object for the class 1.
Yes. Suppose you are using class name, class 1 name for calling static class members. Why? That is the parent. Then why can't you use class 1 name for creating object? You need to create object in class 1 only.
Yes, sir.
Class 1 only. Then observe 11th line, Nirupama. Removed na?
Yes, sir.
Removed.
Yes, sir.
Here, why it is showing add class name required na? This is static class member. Static class
Class
member.
1 data. Yeah.
I need to put class 1.
Class 1. Next here also class 1. Next sub
Class 1.
class 1. Next
Hmm.
object. By invoking
ABC.
object we can call non-static. Here object is
ABC.
ABC. Now I am running the second class. Observe Sriniram. We created static and non-static class members in class 1 and calling from class 2. Class 2. How? Using class 1 name, means using parent class name for calling static class members. Next, by creating an object using parent class name, I am calling non-static class members. That's it, isn't it?
Okay. Right.
Any problem? Suman, raise query, Suman.
No, sir. I'm good.
Now we created class members, static and non-static, variables and methods, and calling calling from same class and another class. Calling from same class is called Nirupama internal use. Internal use of class members. Calling from another class, external use of class members. What is internal use? Creating and calling in the same class is called internal use. Next, calling from another class is called
External use.
external use. Any problem, Nirupama?
No, sir. I'm clear.
Next, suppose if you want to call, without inheritance, na Sriniram. Anyhow, inheritance we will discuss in OOPS chapter. Without inheritance, we are reusing. Without inheritance, we are reusing class members from one class to another. With inheritance, if you reuse, what will happen? Just observe. That we will discuss later. Class 2. Suppose extends class 1. Now right side is parent, left side is parent. Extends keywords for achieving inheritance between two classes. If you inherit two classes, Nirupama, then
Yes,
you
sir.
can use local class name. We already inherited na?
Yes.
Class 2. Next, for calling static class members also, class name not required. Why? We inherited na?
Okay.
Observe. Class 1, remove. No error. Remove. Run the program. Observe, Sriniram. By inheritance, you can use local class name for creating object, and for calling static class members, you can use local class name, or without class name. Getting?
Okay. Getting, sir.
Now
Sir, just one question, sir. That for invoking the object, you use the local class, right? Can we also use like the parent class also to create, like when we use the inheritance,
Yes.
like after you say okay.
You can use, but why?
No, I'm just asking. It's just a doubt.
That
No.
is not required na.
Yeah.
Suppose if you have facility in your home, then why can't you go for another home?
Yeah. Got it, sir.
Good. So suppose if you don't have facility, then you have to go for external.
Okay.
Okay.
So if it is compared this both one, so inheritance is more powerful than this one.
More powerful means if you inherit the classes, then you can call or reuse class members easily.
Okay.
And one more thing, this is only what is this one? Single inheritance.
Okay.
Suppose if you go for multiple inheritance, that time you can if you inherit classes, then you can call class members from parent, grandparent also na.
But Java supports only single inheritance only, right, sir?
Who told?
No, when we are discussing because of the diamond problem,
that is multiple inheritance.
Okay.
But it's suppose see not